Hi, hello, I'm Yoshitaka. How are you? Oh, sick. Oh my god.
Please take care.
Okay, so today I'm talking about Japanese onomatopoeia, ichaいちゃいちゃ. Do you know ichaいちゃ? So ichaいちゃ is a public display of affection, showing intimacy in public. So in the public, the couple is kissing and hugging. That the situation is ichaいちゃ. So for example, 昨日ね、帰ってくる途中で家の近くの公園で若いカップルがイチャイチャしてたよ。昨日ね、帰ってくる途中で家の近くの公園で若いカップルがイチャイチャしてたよ。Yesterday on my way home, I saw the young couple making out in public near my house. 昨日ね、帰ってくる途中で家の近くの公園で若いカップルがイチャイチャしてたよ。Yesterday, I saw the young couple making out in the park near my house, like this. So, sometimes we say, we use a Japanese another onomatopoeia, love. Love is an English word, so 2 times, love. That's we can say it about the couple like love 2 birds. So that's all for today. See you. Bye. Thank you.